In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to set up a local ChatGPT in our computer without internet connection. For this, I am using H2O GPT. It simplifies the process of creating a private LLM. By using a local language model and vector database, you can maintain control over your data and ensure privacy, while still having access to powerful language processing capabilities. But the normal installation requires internet connection. In this video, I will show how to install it without internet connection. First, download the setup and necessary files like model, sentence transformer and tick token file. Links of all files are given in the description.
Here you can see that I already downloaded the required files and copied to my laptop, which is not connected to internet. Now double-click on the setup file and install the software in desired location. Now, wait for the installation to complete. After the installation, open the installation directory of H2O GPT. Now, create a new folder here, and copy the tick token file and server.py file to this folder. This is required to create a local server to serve the tick token file to our application. After that, create another folder named custom_model, and copy the sentence transformer that is all mini LML6v2 and LLM model, that is the gguf file, to this folder. Now, open PowerShell window in the custom local server folder, which we create to keep the tick token file. Then type /python/python.exe space server.py. It will start a local server using the current directory as the root. It will help us to provide a local URL link to tick token file for our application. It is only required to run first time of this setup. After that, the file will be served from cache. Now the local server is started at port 7000. Now, open pkgs folder in the installation directory. Here, open tick token_ext folder. Then open AI_public.py file. Then, go to cl100k_base function, and change the URL to localhost, where the tick token file is located. Save and close the file. Now, open PowerShell or command prompt in installation directory. In the PowerShell, press Tab to select the correct folder or file name from the working directory, instead of typing the full name of folder or file. In the PowerShell window, type python/python.exe space generate.py space --base_model equal custom_model/ name of the model file, which we can copy from custom_model folder and paste here. Space --gra_do_offline_level equals 2 space share equals false --score_model equals none --hf_embedding_model equals custom_model/, then copy the folder name of sentence transformer. In our case, it is all mini L6v2. Now press enter. That's all. Now we can see that the program is initializing. After the completion, it will show that running on local URL http://localhost:7860. Now open the web browser and type the URL. You can see that the H2O GPT website is loaded locally without internet connection. Now, you can chat with our local H2O GPT. I am just showing an example of chat working. You can explore the remaining features from this local website. Also, you can use your PDF files and other data files to use with this tool. Thanks for watching. If you like our work, kindly subscribe the channel and like this video.